Just a real quick one from me today. I will be back with regular videos fairly soon, but I just wanted to share this deal with you that's on because it's actually pretty awesome. If you head on over to Plugin Boutique at the moment, you can pick up a synth which is incredible. It's Izotope's Iris 2 synth. It's usually about $130 and it's completely free with any purchase. So if you head over to Plugin Boutique, crack yourself onto the deals section here and find something that's on for a super cheap deal. Like if you go into popularity, the WA Instacord's on. That's something that's really popular, so you can grab that for 10 if you like. Add that to your cart, fly up to the top here. In your cart you've got your Instacords. If you've got any previous like virtual cash, you can use that and even take that value off. So it's going to cost me $7.47, or I can use this 58 pence. Recalculate that, take the price down even further, and you've got Iris 2 here added on at £140 value. Yes, I want to get this free gift. All of my address and details are in here, which will be blurred out, and yeah, just pay from there. I mean, I'll do via PayPal, and we get Iris 2 completely for free. So yeah, jump on it, guys. Don't miss out on this while it's there. Iris 2 is a massively powerful synth. If you've never heard of it, jump on over to the Izotope website, have a look at it. Like, it's a massive saving for the sake of buying something for like $10 and getting it for free. It's just an incredible deal. Don't miss out on it, and I will see you guys again pretty damn soon.